The History of Winchester. It's a story as proud, diverse, and broad as the United States of America itself. A history beginning more than 130 years ago, and a name that today, all across America, means quality. Winchester is the leading manufacturer and marketer of high-performance sporting and law enforcement ammunition products. We're very good at what we do. At Winchester, we believe the only way to ensure continued market leadership with the largest variety of ammunition in the world is to maintain strict quality standards and be integrated for the critical manufacturing processes. For this reason, our primary facility, located in East Alton, Illinois, is fully integrated and encompasses every facet of the product cycle. From conducting product research, development, and design, to securing highest quality brass, to manufacturing the majority of components used in our ammunition, to ensuring finished product performance in our own test labs, to the packaging and supply of our product to our distribution network, Winchester does it all. Let's take a look at the products that America shoots, and how we alone are able to manufacture the largest variety of ammunition in the world. One of the most important elements in producing reliable and consistent high-quality ammunition is the brass used as the case material in centerfire ammunition and for some of the heads on shot shells. To guarantee an uninterrupted supply of the world's finest brass, Winchester exclusively uses brass produced in East Alton by Olin, in the largest and most modern brass mill in the world, and also part of the Olin manufacturing complex. Equally important as the brass is the ammunition's propellant. To meet the critical demand of performance-minded shooters, propellants are specifically formulated and custom blended for the exact performance requirements of each type of Winchester ammunition. Winchester manufactures its own non-corrosive primers at East Alton to ensure precise performance. Our primers are so reliable that NASA has selected them to initiate the separation and parachute recovery systems on the Space Shuttle's $50 million solid rocket booster engine. The most important requirement of any ammunition is to accurately deliver projectiles to the target. To complete our total systems approach to producing the world's finest ammunition, we optimize performance by producing those projectiles. From making our own lead shot for shot shells to the custom design, testing, and manufacture of the majority of our centerfire bullets, we operate with one thought in mind: meeting the shooter's need for accuracy and performance. We've seen what goes into Winchester ammunition, but how do these components come together to create world leadership in ammunition? Through skill, experience, and American craftsmanship. Let's take a look at the extensive facilities and human resources dedicated to the manufacture of Winchester ammunition. The first step in the centerfire process is drawing the raw brass, or cup, into the shape of a case. Because of their larger size, the forming of the case is accomplished in a succession of drawing operations. This results in attaining the exact size and optimal physical properties for maximum shell performance. The cases are inspected for quality and correct dimensional tolerances during each step of the drawing operation. Next, the head and primer bucket are stamped, and the brass cup becomes a cartridge case. The cases are then heat-treated, or annealed, to eliminate stresses built up during the drawing and heading operations. Once annealed, the brass case is structurally able to withstand repeated reloading and firing. The pre-assembled primer is inserted into the pocket at the base of the shell case, with careful attention given to ensuring proper depth. The exact amount of powder is then added, and a bullet is seated into the neck of the case. The final step in the centerfire process involves crimping the case around the bullet. To develop the specific amount of pressure within the shell case for proper bullet velocity and energy level, precise crimping is critical. Winchester's shot shell manufacturing capability is legendary, and like centerfire production, our facilities encompass every aspect of state-of-the-art shot shell manufacturing. Winchester developed and perfected the one-piece plastic hull more than 25 years ago. Today, Winchester continues to set world standards in shot shell quality. The shot shell manufacturing process begins with raw plastic resins. Color pigment is added to the resins and, after blending, pneumatically conveyed to the forming machines. The material is heated to form plastic and is then extruded and cut to form the proper hull length of the shot shell gauge in production. The shot shell hulls are then conveyed to the heading machines, where a base wad is inserted if required, and then fitted with a brass head. A primer is then seated in the head, and the shot shells are ready to be loaded. The high-speed Winchester shot shell loaders then add the propellant, followed by insertion of the wad and the proper size and load of shot. The final step in the shot shell production process is the crimping or spin sealing, if required, of the top of the shell case. During all stages of the loading operation, ammunition is continuously inspected for quality. Sample rounds are systematically taken from the loading machines and tested to meet Winchester's high performance standards of pressure, velocity, accuracy, ignition barrel time, gun function, and sound. After manufacture, centerfire ammunition is again inspected and checked for quality, then packed in boxes and cases. The packed cases are then stored in our distribution center. Here, our fully barcode-enabled automatic distribution system receives and processes orders for shipment to our customers. As we've seen, Winchester has made quality control and product inspection an essential ingredient of its manufacturing process. And it doesn't stop once the ammunition is produced. Quality management has become a way of life at Winchester. It is the driving force in the minds of each and every employee to attain maximum customer satisfaction. From manufacturing to field sales to customer service, every employee and our staff of quality assurance and performance testing experts are constantly checking, evaluating, verifying, and improving ammunition production and performance using the latest state-of-the-art computer-based systems throughout its expansive East Alton operating and test facilities. The result? Meeting and surpassing global competition head-on by producing the best ammunition products in the world. During the past 130 years, Winchester ammunition has come to symbolize what America is all about: strength, skill, quality, pride, and the ability to do a job better than anyone else. We're dedicated to the future of the shooting sports, to remaining ahead of the competition, to consistently giving sportsmen the world's best products. If you're looking to the future for growth and success, then look to Winchester, the American legend.